All right, as you can see, I've already put this back on. The battery died in the camera, so I missed a little bit of the footage, so I went ahead and put this back on. We have this in here. Now this part that goes in here, this little cushion, is obsolete, discontinued. So I think I have a piece of hard rubber. I'm going to kind of rebuild that piece and put that in there because we kind of need that in here, because it comes up and it will hit right here, and that keeps it from going metal on metal if you hit a bump, and we don't want to have that because that can do a lot of damage. So I'll build that before we get going too far. But as you can see, I've got everything off here. I started grinding down a little bit of that. I'm going to continue grinding that down because I can't get to that once everything's all back together. Grind all the rust off of there that I can. Actually, with a brush on the grinder, I have one of these on here on the grinder. I am going to sand that down as much as I can, and we'll put some primer on it and paint it. That way it'll have as much of the rust off as we can. Move the caliper out of the way a little bit, and we'll get over here. Yep, that's kind of much as I'm going to do now. I'll go ahead and put some primer on here. Okay, I have some self-etching primer. We'll put that on. There we go. We'll let this dry. All right, primer's all dry. We're going to go ahead and paint it with this Rust Pro aluminum or spray enamel. There we go. Just like new. Well, as close as you can get to new. Have the right side upper control arm all painted. Here's where the ball joint goes. And we got the underneath side all painted. Looks like it kind of missed a little bit there. I'll hit that here in a second. And we have this bar here done. So we'll go ahead and next one we're gonna do is the front axle.